Do you need help practicing and listening to English for your citizenship exam? Are you worried that you won't remember the answers? Well, worry no more. I'm that immigration guy, and in this video, I'm going to help you learn and practice the third set of 10 questions on the exam, questions 21 through 30. Please watch my other videos where I help you practice the other 90 questions broken down into 10 question videos. Welcome to my channel. I'm Brent Newcomb. If you're new here, I'm that immigration guy, an attorney focusing solely in immigration law for almost 20 years. This video is unique. It is a learning tool to help you study for the exam. As I explain in another of my videos on how to prepare for the citizenship exam, there is a free resource book from the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Service called Learn About the United States Quick Civics Lessons. You will be given this book when you go in for your biometric appointment. I'll be using this book as a guide for you. I'll tackle 10 question blocks in each video. I suggest listening several times to these videos and practicing along with me. I will read the question, then the answer with a little additional information. After I've gone through all 10, I will repeat just the questions and the answers one more time. Finally, I will repeat just the questions with a pause where you can answer yourself. Watch this video several times and you will pass that citizenship exam. Are you ready? Well, let's begin. Part 1. To begin with, let's go through questions 21 through 30 and the answers, and I'll give you a few tips with each question that may help you remember the answers. Question 21. The House of Representatives has how many voting members? Answer: 435. The House is the largest chamber of Congress. Each state must have at least one representative, and generally the number of representatives is roughly proportioned by population in each state. We conduct a census every 10 years to assist in this process. Just remember the number though, 435. Question 22. We elect a U.S. representative for how many years? Answer: 2. This is an easy question. The reason representatives are elected every 2 years is because the framers of the Constitution believed that short terms and frequent elections would keep the representatives close to their constituents. Whether this is actually the case is a matter of debate. Regardless, just remember we elect representatives every 2 years. Question 23. Name your U.S. representative. Answer. Now this one is going to depend on the district in which you live, so I can't give an answer. The best way is to look up the House of Representatives website and see who is your representative. I will put a link below. Question 24. Whom does a U.S. Senator represent? Answer. All of the people of the state. In contrast to representatives, every senator represents his entire state. Remember, we said before that there are 2 for every state. Question 25. Why do some states have more representatives than other states? Answer: because of the state's population. This is because the founding fathers wanted in all states that people could be represented. Thus, they based representation in the House on population. This is in contrast to the Senate. Just remember, every state has 2 senators, but each state has differing numbers of representatives. Question 26. We elect a president for how many years? Answer: 4. Easy question, easy answer. The founding fathers did not want America to be like a monarchy. To prevent this, they limited the time any one president can serve into 4-year terms. In 1951, the U.S. adopted the 22nd Amendment, which put a cap on the number of terms a president can serve to 2 4-year terms. Again, remember, 4 years. Question 27. In what months do we vote for president? Answer, November. Why is this? In 1845, Congress decided that a single day should be designated for all Americans to vote. They chose the Tuesday after the first Monday in November. They liked November because in that month, farmers had completed their harvest and were free to vote. People also could travel as the weather was not too bad. Tuesday was chosen so that voters had a full day after Sunday to travel to the polls. Thus, November. Now you know. Question 28. What is the name of the President of the United States now? Although this is an easy question, I'm going to assume you know who the President is right now. Because the President is elected every 4 years, and I want this video to be used for many years, and even though I love the current President very much, I will let you look that one up if you don't know. Question 29. What is the name of the Vice President of the United States now? Answer? Well, the same thing goes for the Vice President. You can look him up as well if you don't know. Question 30. If the President can no longer serve, who becomes President? Answer? The Vice President. If the President dies, resigns, or cannot work while in office, the Vice President steps in. Only 9 times in U.S. history has this ever happened. Hopefully it won't happen again during our lifetimes. Just remember, the good old Vice President takes over in place of the President in case something happens. How was that? Not too bad, I hope. Now we're going to get into a little more practice. Part 2. I will now read the question slowly, pause, and then read the answer. Try to answer yourself during the pause. Ready? Okay. Question 21. The House of Representatives has how many voting members? 435. Question 22. We elect the U.S. representative for how many years? 2. Question 23. Name your U.S. representative. Question 24. Whom does a U.S. senator represent? Answer: all of the people of the state. Question 25. Why do some states have more representatives than other states? Answer: because of the state's population. Question 26. We elect a president for how many years? Answer: 4. Question 27. In what months do we vote for president? Answer: November. Question 28. What is the name of the President of the United States now? Question 29. What is the name of the Vice President of the United States now? Question 30. If the President can no longer serve, who becomes President? Answer: the Vice President. We are now at the final part of the prep. I'm going to ask you just the question and then pause. Use the pause to answer yourself. Ready? Question 21. The House of Representatives has how many voting members? Question 22. We elect a U.S. representative for how many years? Question 23. Name your U.S. representative. Question 24. Whom does a U.S. senator represent? Question 25. Why do some states have more representatives than other states? Question 26. We elect a president for how many years? Question 27. In what months do we vote for president? Question 28. What is the name of the President of the United States now? Question 29. What is the name of the Vice President of the United States now? Question 30. If the President can no longer serve, who becomes President? That's it. How did you do? If you've mastered these, please write the word done in the comments below. I would love to know how many people this has helped. One final thing. I do want you to remember that I am not giving you specific legal advice about your case with this video. Every single case is different. This is an informative video. For advice on your particular situation, please seek help from a qualified and experienced immigration attorney, such as me, that immigration guy. If you like this video, hit like below and please subscribe. I will be putting out regular content every few days. Share the video, and if you need immigration advice, please contact my office. I'll be more than happy to help you. And remember, that immigration guy for your future immigration legal needs.